So very good morning to you. And I know Mr. Ranganath has given us a little tough task of completing the presentation in 3 or 4 minutes. But I would like to take a slight liberty and run through the very short presentation what I have. And definitely, I would say that the presentation would be very helpful for you all in terms of saving the energy and understanding what kind of potential you would have in various operations or fields in which you have your own companies there. So to start with, I am from KSP. KSP is a German multinational who is based in India for last almost 60 years now. And we have been involved in the fields of almost all types of pumps, mostly the centrifugal pumps. The main presentation have only 4 points to make. Right. First of all, I would like to talk about general energy scenario, what kind of energy consumption the patterns are there in India, and what kind of energy saving potentials are available. The second, I would like to share with you what is KSB's approach in doing this. Then third is the life cycle cost as far as the pump operation is concerned. And of course, the last to sum up what I've been talking for last few minutes. We all know that since last maybe 10-15 years, there has been a very large focus on the CO2 emissions. With this graph, I will not go into the details of the graph, but you can see that as per the World Energy Council, the CO2 emissions are expected to be close to 27 billion tons in 2050. So all this leads because of the increase in the population. I would thank CII for bringing this topic in today's discussion, that we will talk more on the energy conservation, energy audits, so that the industry would save and effectively we would reduce the gases emitted which will result in the global warming. Just to give you a background, what happens with the energy, what had happened with the energy prices in India since last many years. You can see with the graph that the graph which is at the top talks about the energy prices for industry, wherein we all are working, and it has grown up close to 2.6 times in last 10-15 years. In fact, this data is of 2009, so I would say another one time it has grown in last 3 or 4 years. This I want to bring to your notice that the energy price is very high, and we have to save energy in order to be more lean and more focused to the customers. This slide gives you general overview of how the electric power consumption in the industrial or the commercial part is there. I would like to only focus on the 49% which our industry consumes the power, and out of this 49%, you can see that the pump itself, which are operating in all the industries, are consuming around about 30%. So, and I mean pump means all types of pumps which are used in the industry. So much of a potential or consumption is done by the pumps. KSB in general worldwide has a campaign on this energy saving, energy audit called as System Efficiency Services. And our tagline is energy efficiency. Of course, whenever we are doing this energy conservation or energy audit, it's a very important thing that customers do share a lot of knowledge with us. And with this sharing only, we will be able to chalk out what is the potential in the energy saving. If we see generally what the kind of systems, what we are operating in your industries wherein the pumps are involved, almost 60% of the energy saving potential is there in your system itself, like the kind of pipe sizing you do, kind of controlling strategy you have for the flow. But I would like to focus, since as a pump manufacturer, only on the next 15% part which we can help out by way of different solutions. And even if we concentrate on this 15% saving potential, there would be huge benefits to all our customers also. At KSB, we have a very scientific approach for this, doing out these energy audits. Of course, we do a lot of site surveys, and then measurements are done, and then of course discussions with the customers, and we finally come out with realization. Not to forget that after the realization, we do carry out a kind of a control survey, which gives the customer confidence that yes, whatever I have invested in this, it has yielded the kind of energy saving which he was looking for. What KSB has done in last so many years, just I talked about the last 3 years data. We have been in this energy audit since last at least 7 years. In 2012, we modified around about 13 number of pumps, which resulted in the power saving of close to 2,600 kilowatts. So you can think multiplied into number of hours and these things, so much of energy could be saved. And KSB, I am not saying it's a very only company. There are so many pump companies, so there are a lot of possibilities are there. And similarly, in 2014, we up to March, we could do it with some 501 kilowatt energy saving. Not to, though the figures in the earlier slide was quite high, that to some 2,600 kilowatt rating is a very high. Yes, those pumps were related to more on a high utility base. For example, feed water pumps or condensate pumps. But there is definitely a potential even in the smallest size of pumps also, because they are many in numbers. So if you talk about small sizes multiplied by the volume, then definitely you could achieve that kind of energy saving. KSB has for these kind of smaller industrial pumps, KSB has a product called as data logger, which is nothing but a small case, and wherein you can measure a lot of data, analyze the data, and this product is being globally used. And in India also, we have already started implementing this. And I think it's a right forum for us to say that we are on it, and we would look forward to get some feedback or inquiries from you. What do we do with this data logger? Various measurements are possible. You see a small box on the left side on the floor. This is nothing but the data logger, and the whole pump set equipment is there. And you can measure flow rates and various things, pressures, and simultaneously you can measure the vibrations also. So this all data is captured, and we can analyze the data and give you the further improvement possibilities. Not to forget that any equipment has a certain life cycle cost, and from the life cycle cost point of view, if we see the energy that equipment consumes constitute around 32%, the investment which you initially make in that equipment is around about 30%, but the important point, which is the reliability of that equipment, is around 38%. So all sum together is a life cycle cost, and this concept is taking shape in India as far as pump industry is concerned. Little slowly, we are little behind the other segments, but yes, it is picking up. So the point which I want to drive here is that though we look forward for doing energy savings, we should not compromise on the reliability part, because again, in terms of the life cycle cost, it plays a very large role. Not to get bogged down by this complicated graph, I'm not going to explain this because just want to give you a glimpse that what happens with the reliability if your pumps are not operating within the optimum range of the pump. So we all know that there are margins which are kept by various factors, and ultimately the pump is running in a very different than it's the optimum point. So we are anyway compromising with the reliability. So the point what we do in the energy audits is, once we do this analysis, we try to bring that pump into the reliability and optimum range of the pump. which thereby, of course, you will get the energy saving, but not at the cost of reliability. Now, after talking this, what solutions do we have when we do this energy audit? Generally, the solutions can be from the system point of view, can be from the pump per se point of view. So in the pumps, of course, the easier task is to replace the pump. It has some cost to it, but then we have other alternatives of stage blindings or trimming of impellers and so on and so forth. Similarly, we can also talk about other optimization in the drives, which we are going towards IE4 range. KSB already has a product in Europe which is compliant to IE4, which is a supreme kind of a brand name. Then other points are related to the system, wherein we have some expertise which can be shared with the customer. So overall, we can talk about whenever a pump, which is a constant speed pump, which is feeding into a constant system load, then there is a potential of around about 5 to 20%. And if you are feeding into a variable speed system, for example, the load is changing continuously, but the pumps are giving the same output, then there is a greater potential of energy saving. This was all what I wanted to present to you, given in the brief time. But anyway, I hope that you have got some information about what KSB can do and what are the various products. Just to sum up, definitely there is a large potential in the energy saving. KSB is an established player in this market, and you can see the figures what has been achieved in last years about the energy saving. We are keen to now move on to the smaller industrial pumps, wherein you all would be more involved or approached. And I would say energy is money, save it for the future. Thank you very much.